Navigation bar is a highly useful mobile application for Android that enhances the usability of the device's navigation system. This app allows users to customize their navigation bar, providing additional features and options beyond the default settings. Users can personalize the appearance, size, and functionality of the navigation bar, making it more suited to their preferences and usage habits. With Navigation Bar, users can add extra buttons such as shortcuts to frequently used apps or settings, improving accessibility and efficiency. The app typically supports gesture controls, allowing users to navigate their devices using simple swipes or taps, thus optimizing the overall user experience. Additionally, it may include features like color customization, opacity adjustments, and various themes to tailor the navigation bar's look. Overall, Navigation Bar is an innovative tool for Android users seeking to enhance their device's functionality and aesthetic appeal, making navigation quicker and more intuitive.